Hello, my name is Surya Narayanan. I've been a resident of this building, our building, which is Golden Chateau in Anna Nagar, for the last 17 years. We had a lift which was installed by Johnson when the building was constructed about 20 years back. It outlived its period, and we were looking for new lift to be put in place. In fact, before the last lift was condemned by us, we had engaged Asian Lifts to maintain our old lift, which they have been doing for the last 2 years of the existence of the previous lift. We were quite happy with the way they responded to our calls, and it would always give us trouble every now and then, but Asian Lifts was good enough to respond every time we tried calling them and said put things in place. So this is how we know Asian Lifts. Basically, we have been dealing with them for the last 3 years. And when we wanted to change a lift, we approached few other manufacturers, and in the association we decided that probably the best one would be given to us by Asian Lifts, and we went ahead and started our discussions with them. It proceeded in a good way, and they also gave us a good deal, and finally it was decided that we give them the contract for putting up a new lift. They started the work, and we are happy with the performance as it is. The lift, we wanted the stainless steel cabin, which was given to us, and we also wanted the full glass doors, which was also given, and they had special features to the lift which we could not find in other manufacturers, like child safety. For example, if my granddaughter, who is just 4 years old and was less than 3 feet in height, enters the lift without anybody's knowledge, the lift would completely shut down and nothing would happen. This is a very good feature this is one of the good features which prompted us to go in for Asian Lifts. And like that, there were many other features which attracted us, and they have provided such features in full measure to us. We are happy about the way it is functioning now. Well, I thought I will compliment them by recording this video, and I fully recommend those who are looking out for change of lifts or putting up new lifts to definitely go and contact Asian Lifts, and they would give you a satisfactory experience. Thank you.
I am Venkat Ramani. I am one of the oldest residents of Golden Chateau. I am here for the past 20 years. In fact, we had a lift by Johnson Lifts right from the beginning. Due to poor performance, we were not very satisfied, and for the past 2 years, we had Asian Lifts as the maintenance for annual maintenance contract. We were on the lookout for a substitute for this lift, and after taking the consensus of all the residents here, we decided to go in for a new lift instead of repairing the existing lift. We shortlisted 2-3 lift manufacturers and inspected their lifts and their performance. We also went to Asian Lifts factory and had an office and had a discussion with the managing director. In fact, explained all the features of the Asian Lifts, and we were very much impressed, especially with the latest technology incorporated in the latest lifts. We were impressed, all of us, 2-3 of us went there. We were impressed by the Geon technology, which provides for a child safety and other some features. So we decided that we will go in for this, and we also inspected the performance of Asian lifts installed in 2-3 other places, and the look of the cabin, the performance, everything impressed us. And the day we discussed with the managing director, we signed the agreement for installation of a new Asian lifts. So in fact, it took about 4-5 months or so, but ultimately only in February the lift was handed over to us. We find that so far the lift is running satisfactorily. It's very smooth, and all the features are very much useful to us. Of all the persons, the 5-year warranty, the service network and all that are very impressive, and we feel that we will not feel any difficulty for another 5 years in smooth running of the lift. In fact, since it is only 2 months, we have to experience the service of the lift. But at the moment, the lift performance is very satisfactory, and the cost also is very comparative, and the get-up and the appearance of the lift is very nice, and everybody has a word of appreciation for that. And we will not have any hesitation to recommend to anybody who wants to go in for a new lift with all advanced features. Thank you.